Hello everybody, welcome to this unboxing of the new Apple iPad 7th generation and the previously known Apple Pencil 1st generation. This video will be more of a first impressions kind of thing, and I'll be doing another video with an update on how the whole entire thing works and operates and how it feels in an upcoming video, maybe in a month or two. So coming out of this bag is the Apple Pencil, the iPad, and a little cardstock of features and services that they acquire. And I'd like to note that this actually feels really nice. It's not normal cardstock or anything like that. And I'm very impressed that they even take notes of these small little things. And here's the iPad box right there. It just shows the side and not the front. I personally always like that design, just the way it looks. Now, I'm not a man of waiting nature. Let's get ahead and crack this thing open. I'll be using this nice little black knife here to cut open this nice little white box I have. We're going to start off with the Apple Pencil because I think that's going to be the more interesting part on my end. Never personally used an Apple Pencil with an iPad other than in the stores, but I've never gotten the actual experience further hand. And usually the pencils in the stores are actually quite sticky and gross, so I don't use them too much. Opening up the box, we have this little nice design in California, and then it opens up very nicely, very clean, very elegantly. We can pull this tab to pick up the pencil, and there it is. I do like to note it does feel plasticky, and I don't really like plastic kind of feel on my pencils, but I don't mind that too much. I'll probably get some kind of skin or texture on it later. But other than that, it feels very light, very nicely, very clean. I'm going to put that back real quick, and then we're going to look at the accessories that are given. And I can see here that we do have a new tip in case the tip we have is broken. And right there, do you see that? That is a way to charge your Apple Pencil without having to shove it into your iPad and breaking the whole entire thing. So you can plug in the lightning port into it and then plug in the Apple Pencil from there. It doesn't include the lightning cord in the actual box. All it includes is a couple of pictures showing you how to do it. You can either plug it in from the iPad or you can plug it in from the charger shown in the pictures there. We're going to nicely put these away, and then we're going to go ahead and start looking at the new iPad, the thing that I'm pretty sure everybody is very well excited for, especially me. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, pulling off that seal and then pulling off the top, we get greeted by the new iPad 7th generation Space Gray 32GB. They honestly leave little to no room of comfort between the edges of the box and the iPad. But the iPad itself doesn't seem to be bothered by that, so that's all good. So if you are purchasing the new iPad, please do take care of handling the box because there is little to no cushioning, and you could damage the iPad if you drop the box. We're going to go ahead and see what is included in the box for those who are new to purchasing Apple. We do get the lightning cord. Pulling up this tab for the manual and stickers, we are greeted by the big power brick, which is very lovely and very nice. We can use that to fast charge all of our phones and of course charge the iPad. Here we have the manual, and trying to see if we even get any stickers. I was very confused and couldn't find them anywhere. But you do have to look a little bit harder because they are stuck inside of the box. It took me a couple of minutes to pull it out. I had to use my fingernails to peel it off of the back of the warranty box and finally get it out. Enough with the sideshow though, we're going to go ahead and put this box away. If you're a big Apple person like me and all of my other friends, we usually keep the boxes all nice and tidy. So here is the iPad put in the front and center. We get to see the back of the Space Gray. It looks very nice. Peeling off the protective layer. flipping over to the front, the whole entire plastic does just slide off right there. And it is clean. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, see if there's any power. It does power on indeed. That is a very nice touch. Make sure that everything is all set up. It prompts us with a quick start where we can use our iPhone. And I'm going to go ahead and set that up real quick. And I'll be back once it's all done with the setup. So here we are at our new iPad 7th generation. It is currently running iOS 13.1, the newest iOS, and this is actually iPad OS. They separated the iPhone and the iPad finally, so everything should run perfectly good on this now. I'm going to take off the top of the Apple Pen. It doesn't fit whenever it's laying down, so you do have to lift it up. You do plug it in just for a few moments, just so it can sync and it will connect. So you hit yes, connect, and now you have your Apple Pen connected. Here I'll be showing the demonstration just to make sure that it does work. See, go right and go left. Easy. Downloaded Ibis Paint X because that's my favorite kind of drawing program on the iPad, iOS, iPhone, all that kind of stuff. I actually used this for all my thumbnails. I'm just going to go ahead and see the pen in work. And looking at it, it's very nice. It's very accurate to what I'm writing. It's dead on, to be honest. And there is no laggy, there's no crazy thing, anything happening here. Very little drag behind the pen and the actual writing. And the only problem I'm having here is just writing the word hello. I was very tired at this point. And if you were wondering if it does has pressure sensitivity, I can confirm it does. I can write little lines and I can write really big thick lines just by pushing down a little bit harder. You're not going to feel like you're going to break the actual iPad screen from pushing down too hard. Well, thank you very much everybody for watching this first impressions on the iPad. I will really enjoy this very much. If you have any questions about the iPad so far, or if there's anything that I didn't cover, please leave a comment asking and I'll do my best to reply about that as soon as possible. I really do look forward to using this as a daily driver for drawing and for writing anything I need. You all have a beautiful day. Okay, you're not going to believe this. I just figured this out. There is, confirmed, a fucking headphone jack right there, man. Headphone jack! Yeah!